Hey there, it's me Tabitha, and today I'm going to show you how to properly mix Barbicide. These mixing ratios are specifically for Barbicide. Please be sure to follow all manufacturer's instructions on your disinfectant to maintain efficacy and safety. This is not an ad. I am not sponsored by Barbicide. Barbicide is just my preferred disinfectant. First, get out your scale. This is the most efficient way to measure your water and disinfectant. Fill your bottle with water. My bottle holds 32 ounces. Mix ratio is a half ounce of solution to 8 ounces of water. So if you fill your bottle with 16 ounces of water, you'll use 1 ounce of solution. Keep in mind that if your bottle's max capacity is 16 ounces, you cannot fill it with 16 ounces of water and have room for your disinfectant. I recommend getting a 20-ounce spray bottle and filling it with 16 ounces of water and 1 ounce of Barbicide. Using a 20-ounce bottle ensures you have room for proper mix ratio. When you need to remix to refill your bottle, be sure to rinse it out and run water through the spraying mechanism. This will slow down the degradation of your spray bottle. Because this is a closed container, it can be used until gone. Now let's talk about immersion jars. The solution in these jars must be changed daily. It must also be changed whenever it becomes contaminated, when you see debris inside, or when it is incorrectly diluted. Putting your reusable tools directly into the immersion jar will result in contamination. Remember to thoroughly clean all multi-use implements with soap and water and then let dry before immersing. Recommended immersion time is 10 minutes. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or video requests, please leave that in the comments below. If you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.